Hey, it's Doug here from Digital Currency Traders, and in today's Alt Season Copilot video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what our system is seeing in the crypto markets right now and how that might affect our portfolio. But real quick, before we jump in, these videos can help you in 4 different ways. First, you can save 20% on all of your trading fees for life. All you have to do is sign up through our referral link to BitGet and you instantly cut your fees no matter what your trading system. Second, you can get our custom indicator and the strategy tester for trading views for free. These are the same tools that I use to run the Alt Season Copilot that I'll show you in a second. You can get these indicators for free with our 7-day free trial. You can download the scripts in our Discord, plug it into TradingView, and away you go. Now, the third way that we can benefit you right now, even if you're starting from scratch, is if you start writing for digital currency traders. You can earn some money just by writing about cryptocurrency and start growing your crypto stack from zero. Then you can reinvest your earnings using this system and grow your money. Now that you know what's available to you, let's take a look at what the system is showing about the altcoin trends right now. As we can see by these 2 different charts, we had a whole bunch of coins in hold status and they've pulled back to partial hold status. From the end of June, we had a bunch of alerts, everything transitioned into hold status, and now we've had things pull back into partial hold status. And this is what we see in Bitcoin dominance pulling back here. And here we have the Ripple chart is a good example where at the end of June, everything was going into alert status and then it transitioned into hold status. Now it's come back into partial hold status. And this is where many of the coins are, as we can see by our spreadsheet up above. But our system can work in different time frames. So I can zoom in on the closer time frames and change the indicator here so that we are looking at a closer time frame, and we can see that many of the coins exited, and now on the closer time frame we're getting a whole bunch of coins going back into alert and into hold status, so that we can see that even though things have pulled back, we're starting to get some strength here. And if these consolidations continue to go higher, we would get more of them into hold status. So what we can do is take a look at the daily bot, and we can zoom into these last 2 candles here to see what's actually going on with these bottom formations in the last 48 hours. And what we have here is the hourly bot, where it looks at the charts in a much closer time frame, and it gives us the signals that would work on an hourly time frame. As they start to transition in these small time frames, we can see those coins that are in hold status, the coins that are in partial hold status, and as they start to transition over, it really gives us really great insight about the coins that are coming up from partial hold status and back into hold status for us here in the longer term signals. So it really lets us get more prepared in advance for when those coins are starting to cross the threshold, and we can really be in there to manage risk. Before we sign off, let's talk about what might happen next and what our system will do. If Bitcoin dominance goes up, then we'll see it by the hourly starting to drop the number of hold status coins. There will be more partials, and then they'll go into full exit, and the dailies will start to see these partial exit coins going into full exit. However, if Bitcoin dominance drops from here, we can expect to see that on the short time frame, all of our coins will stay in hold status. That'll fill out and be a full flush of hold status coins. And we'll start to see that the partial hold status coins on the longer time frame will start to go back into full hold status. The important areas to watch on the charts right now are out of these 1, 2, 3 formations that we can see setting up everywhere. 1, 2, 3, it's also a 1, 2, 3 to the downside. So it's a 1, 2, 3 that's bullish, but also could be a 1, 2, 3 that would be bearish. And we have to watch those zones now. And I'm super excited that members of our Discord community get to see this data automatically. Every single day the daily stuff is sent in, and every single hour the hourly data is sent in, so we can just watch this on our cell phone now. These could be super exciting days as we're coming back from partial hold status and we're moving into full hold status. It could be a place to step into the markets, but it's always risky with cryptocurrency. So do it with a really small position, and you can add on later when you're in profit and you've managed the risk. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for the 7-day free trial. Get the indicators, get our full course, get all of our risk control rules, and then start following along with the price charts. Thanks again for tuning in, everyone. Trade safe and keep those losses small.